Okay, fuel pressure gauge. Well, not gauge, sender. This is not the gauge. This is fuel pressure sender for a 1978 Datsun 2 ATZ. And it's brand new. Reproduction. And you know, it's getting its you know, this would be like if the tank was empty, and this would be like if it's full. Okay. So I'm trying to be gentle, but I don't know. I'm not so sure about my meter, but we'll test it. And here are our, well, we want to get on the right pins here, don't we? Yeah. So so which is which? I think this is the ground here, and I think this is for the whoops, yeah. Okay. So it's showing 105 ohms for an empty tank right now. And if I raise it up, it goes down to about 10, 11 ohms. Back down again. Down to about 108 ohms.